I'm recording him growling.
I believe it can. She's the first one to piss in the front lane.
Marnie.
No, I actually want to do it on this.
Is he scratching me?
What are you doing? Good boy, he's shaking your hand.
No, he's shaking. Oops. Oh, Marnie, you're such a cute dog. How adorable.